how to back up your iPhone to a computer. So in this video, I'll show you how to back up your iPhone data and save this to your computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and head over to your computer, and this can be a Mac or a Windows PC. Now, go and load up the iTunes app from your computer. If you don't already have this installed, you can go and download this completely for free. You can then grab a USB-C cable, and what we're going to do is plug one end of this into our computer and the other end into the iPhone. Now, if this is your first time connecting your iPhone, you may get a trust message pop up that you just need to go and accept. You also may get a notification on your computer that you can accept as well. Now, once it's been connected, we need to click on this phone icon in the top left-hand side, and then you'll see the option for backups. Now, we're going to check the option next to this computer, and you can decide whether to encrypt the backup as well, and then we can press the backup now button. So you can decide to password protect the backup, or you can just press don't encrypt. So I'm going to select don't encrypt, and then you can wait for all of your data to be backed up. Now, you'll get a trust message on your phone. Just go and enter your iPhone passcode, and then you'll need to wait several minutes while your data backs up. You'll be able to see the status of this over in this top navigation here. Now, once your data has finished backing up, you can go and restore this in the future just by pressing the Restore Backup button. Now, you won't be able to click this until you've finished the backup, but that's how you go and restore your iPhone in the future using your computer backup.